So I'm going to take a little bit of time and just show you this new feature that we built because you guys asked us to. So the new feature is the click to connect functionality that we built for you that you'll find right here in widget management. So you can see I already have some widgets set up, and I'm just going to set up a new widget to explain to you what these widgets are. So step one, you're just going to give us the domain, the website or web page that you're going to put this widget on. So we're just going to give test.com. You're going to give us a logo file. You're going to give us the image that you want to show up on this website. So on this form. So let's find an image. Here's an image. So we're going to add that. You're going to give us some description. This is just going to be some text you want to show on the form. You're going to give us the different users who can handle the leads that are incoming from this form. So I'm just going to give one user. Actually, let's just give 3 different users. You're going to tell us whether this is a call form or an SMS form, or whether it's a call and SMS form. So we're just going to leave this form as a call and SMS form. You're going to give us some audio that your users will hear whenever they get an incoming call from this form. This is an incoming lead coming from test.com. So you're going to give us that audio for the call. You're going to give us some message for the content for the text message if your agents receive a text message coming from this form. So this is a lead coming from www.test.com. You're going to give us a calling procedure. Do you want to call all at once, or do you want to call right after another? You'll give us a phone number, a text-enabled phone number that you want to receive a notification on if none of your users were able to handle the lead coming from this form. So we don't want to give that, so we're going to leave that blank. So you can give us an email that you want to receive email notifications about missed calls and missed leads. Then you're going to go to your next step. You need to select a procedure at least. Then go to your next step. You're going to give us a time zone, and you're going to give us the schedule at which you want to allow for incoming communication from this form. So you're going to fill out that schedule. Then you're going to tell us, do you want the button to show up on your website? Do you want the button to show up on your mobile device? Then you're going to go to the last step. You're going to get this code, and you're just going to paste this simple code into the footer of your website. And that's it. Your form is done. So I'm going to show you a form that already exists. We'll go to this form right here on www.textinbulk.com. So we'll just go there, and I'll show you the form. So here's a form right here. You can see you got this call or text us now button. I'll show you another form that's on this website right here. So you can see you can launch them to multiple different websites. You can launch as many of these forms that you want. You can launch them on as many different pages that you want, and you can connect them to different users. This is a text-only form. This form is a call or text form. So I'll show you what happens. So let's first check out this text in bulk form. So you can see its schedule here. So let's just go ahead and look at it. We can see it's going on textinbulk.com. It's got some logo. So this is where your image goes. Your image goes right up here at the top. Then you've got some text right here. This text goes right here at the top. It's going to be what's displayed. Now here's your user. This form can only this form is only going to send leads to one user, so only one of our users are actually going to manage the calls and text messages that are coming from this form. So now basically what's going to happen is a user is going to come in, and they can contact you right now if they want to because of your schedule. So if you look at your schedule, you can see that right now today is Friday, and it's between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So that user can call you right now. So they're going to put in their phone number, and they're just going to request a call, or they're going to request a text message right now, and we're going to instantly connect them with your agent. Or if they want to schedule a time that you're open and available, they can just go in and pick a time according to your schedule and schedule a call for that particular time. So if you don't want the form to show up on your website, then you can just disable the form and go in and look at your website, and you'll see that that form does not exist anymore. So you want to turn that form on. You can go back in and see that you can easily turn that form on, and it will show up. You want to change your schedule. Let's say you want to be off today. You can just go in and change your schedule, and let's go in and go to our schedule. Now if we want, we can just turn Friday off, period, so that if you reload the page, you can't select today. You're going to have to select tomorrow because Friday is not available anymore. You're not accepting calls on Friday. So you can turn Friday back on and just change your schedule, and we can say, hey, users can't call until after, we won't accept calls until after 5 p.m. So now that you've done that, you can go back in and you can see that you still can't accept calls right now. They can pick today's date, but they can only pick starting at 5 p.m. or later. So you can go in and edit that at any time you want. You can go in and update your hours when you're actually going to receive the leads coming from this platform. So this is going to allow you to connect with people right from your website. Very easy for them. They just come to your website. They want to talk to you. So they just click this button. They give you their phone number. Instantly, they are connected with somebody from your team. So that's just one of the new features. In just a few minutes, I'll make another video and I'll show you the other new feature that we brought you just because you asked for it.